Hi, welcome to Raw Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on polynomials, and this video is specifically on multiplying polynomials. In this first example, what I have is 4 monomials, single term, multiplied to binomial. And what we're doing is using the distributive property. This 8 distributes in, and I get 8m plus 8. Here in the second example, the monomial is an m, and it will multiply in. M times m is not 2m. It's 2m is 2 times m. One of the multipliers is 2. Here we have m times m, so we need to use an exponent. M squared plus m. You could write 1m. I usually don't write my m's. Here I have a negative distributing in. That's negative has to go with the 5. So I have negative 5m minus 5. And here, it's kind of combining these two. I'm multiplying both the 8 and the m in. So the 8 gave us an 8m, the 2 m's gave us an m squared. This will give us an 8m squared. 8m times 1 is 8m. I've taken the bits and pieces from these monomials and put it into a binomial times a binomial. Now, there's lots of different ways to multiply a binomial times a binomial. The first, and the way I am most likely going to do my examples, is exactly what I did over here. I just used the distributive property. I used the distributive property with stacking my like terms and adding down. 8m times m is an 8m squared. 8m times 1 is a plus 8m. Negative 5 times m is a negative 5m. And negative 5 times 1 is a negative 5. Notice it's just these two lines stacked up where I stack my like terms to get 8m squared plus 3m minus 5. Now before you say, but isn't there a really cool 4-letter F word? I don't like 4-letter F words in my class. It does not do you well, because as soon as you have a binomial times a trinomial, a 4-letter F word is going to mess up your answer. Distributive property of stacking works every single time. Binomial times binomial, trinomial times trinomial, binomial times trinomial, and if you have a really mean teacher, something bigger than that. Okay, I said there's more than one way to multiply. A lot of people like using the box method, and that's where you make a box. We put the 8m and the negative 5 on the top. We put the m plus 1 on the side. Multiply as if we're doing area. We get 8m squared. We get a negative 5m. We get an 8m. And we get a negative 5. We add on the diagonal, and notice 8m squared minus 5m, 8m minus 5. It's all the same numbers. It's not harder. It's not easier. It's just a different way to frame the problem. This often works if you have sloppier handwriting or if you're afraid you're going to miss a term. This way works great. This is my preferred method. A lot of students do really, really well with this method. There are more methods. These are the only two I'm going to show on my videos. All right, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.